Hey there, welcome to Algebra 2 CST, release question number 79. It says there are 12 candidates in a city election. The winner will be the mayor, and the runner-up will be the vice mayor. How many different combinations of mayor and vice mayor are possible? So I'm going to show you what I think is a little bit easier method if you can think of it this way, and then the other way too that would work. If you had a calculator, it would be especially easy, but we're going to show how it's done without a calculator too. So method 1, method 2. I'll show you both methods here. So consider that we've got two spots up for grabs. We've got the mayor right here, and then we've got the vice mayor. I'll put that as VM right there. So mayor, vice mayor. How many people could possibly be mayor? There's 12 candidates, so there's 12 possibilities right here. And then once you've picked somebody for mayor, they couldn't also be vice mayor. So we would have how many left over to choose from? Just 11. And then you have these 10 people, they're all left out, but they didn't get anything. That doesn't matter what happens to them. Hopefully they'll have a good life, but they're not going to be mayor or vice mayor. And so what does this equal? 12 times 11? That's 132. So this should be our answer, choice C. But another way we could think of this, notice the order does make a difference here. If you have somebody, let's say, Johnny and Billy. Johnny is the mayor, Billy's the vice mayor. Is that the same thing as switching those two things around and saying Billy's the mayor and Johnny's the vice mayor? No, that's a different combination altogether. And so this is a permutation. Permutations is where order matters. Combinations is where order does not make a difference. It does say the word combinations in here, so that could potentially throw you off, but permutations, hopefully you remember something like this where you have n permute r, npr is going to be n factorial over n minus r factorial. So you can also think of it this way, and if you have a calculator that you can use on a final exam, something like that, this is an easy way to think about a problem like this. So n would become the number you have to choose from, or to pick from. You've got 12 to pick from, and then permutation, or 12p, and then you have two people that are actually going to get chosen. So this would be 12 factorial over 12 minus 2 factorial, which you could write as 12 factorial over 10 factorial. And then we don't want to multiply this all out. That would be just totally cumbersome and unnecessary. Remember that 12 factorial is the same as 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8, but 10 times 9 times 8 all the way down is the same thing as 10 factorial. And so I've got a 10 factorial on the bottom and the top. Very well, so long, nice knowing you 10 factorial. We just have 12 times 11 left, which is 132. So I think this is probably the easier way to think about it in this particular case, but this way will also work. Number 79, either way you do it, is choice C.